Hello everyone, welcome to Pleasant Parenting. Are you preparing for your board exams and feeling the pressure? Don't worry, you have got this. In today's video, I am here to share powerful daily affirmations designed specially for board exam students like you. These affirmations will help you to boost your confidence, focus, and positivity, keeping you motivated and stress free during your preparation journey. Whether you are struggling with time management, feeling overwhelmed, or just need a dose of encouragement, these affirmations are here to remind you of your incredible potential and the success that lies ahead. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's dive into these inspiring affirmations that will make a big difference in your mindset and performance. So let's get started. I am fully focused and dedicated to my studies. My mind is sharp and I retain everything I study effortlessly. I am confident in my ability to excel in my exams. Every day I am improving and moving closer to my goals. I believe in myself and my preparation. I am calm, composed, and in control of my emotions. I let go of stress and welcome positive energy into my mind. I breathe deeply, relax, and trust the process of my hard work. I release all fear of failure and embrace success. I manage my time wisely and study effectively. I use every moment productively to enhance my knowledge. I prioritize my tasks and complete them with full attention. I bounce back stronger from every challenge I face. I see mistakes as opportunities to learn and grow. I am determined to give my best no matter the circumstances. I see myself writing my exams confidently and successfully. Success flows to me because I am prepared and deserving. I am capable of achieving great results in my board exams. I balance my studies with rest and self-care. I am grateful for the knowledge and skills I have gained. That's it for today's affirmations. Remember, your mindset plays a huge role in your success, and these affirmations are a powerful tool to keep you motivated, focused, and confident as you prepare for your board exams. The best time to listen them in the morning and before you sleep, so that will help you to reprogram your subconscious mind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also preparing for their exams. Let's spread positivity and success together. Also, I would love to hear from you. Share your favorite affirmation or how these affirmations are helping you in the comments below. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more inspiring content. Wishing you all the best for your exams. Stay positive, stay focused, and remember, you are capable of achieving amazing things. See you in the next video.